In assembling a good team, what you want is actually, I kind of like to have everybody be a little bit of a generalist. So they can participate in the database side, they can participate in the user creation, the security, the strategies, all those things. They're knowledgeable in general about all those. And just about everybody on the team is also, I'll call it, a deep expert in some area. And when you bring all those experts and generalists together, the ideas that get bounced back and forth end up a better solution. Oftentimes, when we were originally creating some of the software, we'd do it over a ping pong table, playing games. What about this? What about that? And back and forth for quite a while. And I would come up with idea A and somebody else would come up with idea B, and together we'd every single time come up with a better C. I like to, people say, oh, can we do this? And I'm like, permission granted. It's like, do it, and you'll see what the outcome is, and the outcome will be a great or not great. But if you just don't even try, you're not going to get anywhere. But we live and breathe this stuff, and we've been doing it for quite a while. We're 5 steps past what anybody is really asking about, because again, this is what we do, and this is our pride and joy, and that's how we build our software. Commonly, companies have already attempted another product or attempted to write something themselves, and they found out it's that beginning of the base. They saw the problem right here, and once they got there, it's like, oh, there's a whole new world of problems, and we were not prepared. And then they start coming with a much more educated set of questions. So the first problem that almost everybody has within an organization, certainly when they're new, but even after they've been there for a while, is I want to make a request for something. What we're working on doing with the whole enterprise request management is to make a single portal for somebody to come in, request something, whether it is that additional disk space or email boxes being reset, or if it's a stapler. Although we may have sent it off to a couple of other pieces for fulfillment, it's one place to request it, one place to view the status, and one place to get all that information. With an ERM approach, if you've made one request ever, no matter what it is, you've actually taught yourself how to request anything. So you go in there, you make that request, and all those basic problems have been eliminated. Our software is really designed that once it's implemented at a company, they can really own it themselves and improve it and do their own processes, etc. So the Kinetic Enthusiasts Group, which is an interesting name, we call it KEG. Once a year, we get to see these great things that our customers are doing that we kind of know nothing about. And so they, of course, impress us with what they've done, and they've done some fantastic things, but they're really actually showing everybody else what can be done and what level of effort it is. And really ends up being inspiring, I feel. The presenters are proud to show what they're doing, and the other companies get to see some of the possibilities, and it's infectious.